Good job, airplane. Fly it. Throw it up in the air. Oh, good job. Oh, and did you know that I love you so much? Jump. Oh, close. Try again. Owen, I love you so much.
Let's hide.
You want to hide? Okay. Stay there. Oh, he's hiding behind this wing. We're going to hide behind the tree.
1, 3, 2, 1.
There he is! He surprised us! Tickle, tickle, tickle.
I want you.
I love you so much.